Yo, what's up, guys? Good evening. Good evening. Listen, what a great gift we've been given here. I think we're going to see a correction, or sorry, recovery here next week after we find out if it's bullish news from the FOMC. But for now, guys, I've actually kind of been hoping that we would see this because I had some lower entered buy orders that had not filled on a couple of altcoins, and luckily I got them filled tonight. And it was in the back of my mind, and it was bothering me. I was like, oh man, like I hope we don't just keep going up because I got these buy orders in, and luckily I scored this opportunity. And then I went and did some extra shopping tonight, and I let the Patreon members know what I was buying. I bought a whole bunch of stuff, guys. I'm jacked up about it. And if we're red tomorrow when I wake up, I will probably dollar cost average some more. We got to take advantage of the opportunities in front of us, guys, right? Absolutely. I am excited as all hell about it, honestly. We're going to have a look at JASMY Swift coin running against the market. Interestingly enough, XCN is, in fact, a U.S.-based crypto company and is included in the tax exemption for capital gains tax on that list. And we're going to look at it, guys. So first, looking over at JASMY, what a fantastic dollar cost average opportunity, guys. I bought some more today. I bought a bunch like 3 days ago. I'm going to continue to take advantage of this situation until it's not here anymore, right? So it's down 8% on the day, down 12.9% on the week, down 26% on the year, on the month, and up 378% on the year. Here's the thing, guys. A lot of people are, fudding JASMY right now. Oh, it's a dead project. It's just that. Listen, last year at this time, people were doing the exact same thing. The exact same thing. They were pouring it on thick, dead project. Haha, you hold JASMY. Yeah, 3 months of pumpage, JASMY ran up over 500%, right? And all of those people that were saying these things, crickets everywhere, had nothing to say all of a sudden, right? They all disappeared from the comment section and from X and all that stuff. All of a sudden, you couldn't find them anywhere because JASMY's price action shut them up. And it will happen again, right? It always gets dumpiest before it gets pumpiest. Remember that, guys. Okay. Looking over, we're up 2 spots in rank to 79, $1.21 billion market cap. Volume's a little bit low, 111 million in volume. Looking over at XCN, guys, down 21.7% on the day, up 205% on the week, up 1,340% on the month, and up 24.04% on the year. 2,400% on the year. We're rank 87 right now, $1.05 billion market cap. Yes, I said billion. The volume is pretty big right now, guys. $1.32 billion in volume. The volume is higher than the freaking market cap at this point. Very bullish. And then looking at Swift, guys, we're up 131% on the day. We're up 281% on the week. We're up 280% on the month and up 1,515% on the year. We are up 211 spots in rank to 215. Market cap of 276 million. There's a long way to go with this one, baby. This one can really run. Volume spiking as well, $311 million in volume, guys. You love to see it. Let's go look at the charts, you guys. Let's go look at the charts. Let's see what's going on out in the price action. So JASMY riding the bottom of the trend line here in this falling channel. Guys, listen, these descending channels, they break to the upside, right? It's going to happen, and you're either going to be there for it or you're not. I'm personally going to ride this mofo till the wheels fall off. I'm going to love when it jumps up to 7 to 8 cents. I'm going to be sitting there laughing all the way to the bank, guys. Laughing. So I would not stress about it. Personally, I'm not. Look how oversold it is in the RSI, 36.54, guys. Sellers are becoming exhausted. It's going to run. That's my opinion on it. Let's go look over at XCN. See what's going on in the charts there. So it looks like we're starting to build a little bit of a bull pennant here where we may consolidate a little bit, which is healthy like we did here. A week of consolidation, pumped up. Here we only stayed 3 days here, and then we popped off. Here we're on day 3 again. I would like to see this consolidate for at least a week or two. I would love to see that in this area here. Give us a week or two of consolidation to build up a solid level of support. That's what I want to see happen here before the next leg up, right? That would be healthy chart action. We don't want to continue running wildly like that, because if we do, we'll crash just as hard. You got to build some support, guys, and I want to see it built right here. I do not want to see another leg down because we did not build support. People will regret it, right? Now going over to Swift's charts. Market's red, Swift's pumping. Go figure, right? Like, what the hell? I'll take it. I figured we were going to consolidate in this area, but it looks like maybe we won't. Who knows, right? Maybe we just need to be up a little more, right, in the consolidation. That's all. Either way, right, this area, we'll see if we build up. Now, listen, we broke out of the bull pennant here, broke up. Here we are into another bull pennant, broke to the upside. Now we're in another one. Same thing as XCN's chart, guys. Looks identical. Bullish structure. Will it continue the same way Swift's did, or sorry, XCN did? Yes, I personally think that it will. And I'm here for every single minute of it, you guys. So listen, tomorrow, are we going to consolidate here, or are we going to continue to do this? That's the question. We'll find out. We'll stay on top of it, right? I'm excited, though. I'm super excited. I'm just tired, so you can't tell. Now, Bitcoin broke down and is testing the 30-day SMA as support right now. We touched it. I figured that we would get caught at 101K. We didn't. We collapsed below. But what do we talk about on the channel all the time, guys? It doesn't matter where you wick down to. It matters where you close the candle, right? So in saying that, this dumped down to the 30-day SMA. We could wick back up, and likely will wick back up above $101,000 before this candle closes tomorrow, depending on whether we get good or bad news at the Fed minutes, right? And what Jerome Powell has to say. I personally think that what we're doing is pricing in bad news from Powell, anticipation, and if we get good news, market's going to run. So, but listen, if we break down, we could break down to 96K, guys. We could, realistically. And we would still be bullish, and I'm fine with that, right? I will just continue to buy until the wheels fall off this mofo, right? I'm not stressed out. I'm not worried one iota. One little iota, guys. I continue to buy. All right, let's get into some of the news, shall we? So, again, courtesy community member, you know him, contributor, you know him, you love him, Jetpack, shout out, brother. He says, number one, chain protocol used by Visa, Fiserv, Citibank, NASDAQ, etc. Number two, these are the reasons why he believes in XCN. Number two, XCN's native token is used for payments and discounts on chain. Number three, Justin Sun, free publicity, Binance token burn, new AI, best staking APR, hands down, strong community and tokenomics. 100% agree with that, man. 100% agree with that. Now, what else do we have covering it? Now, he sent me a little clip here that I want to show you guys. Volume is higher than the market cap. Don't get shooken out. Corrections happen. Check it out.
So you will correct along the way. And I know other people have said that it'll only go straight. Now, everyone always says it'll only go straight up from here. So when this run starts to happen, everyone believes that it's all blue skies from here. It will never come back down. And right after they said, we'll never see the likes of 3 when it was pushing 3 cents. Of course, we wicked all the way back down to 1.5 cents. It got snapped up. It came down. It touched at 1.9 cents, and then it moved up again. And then when we were here at 3.5, we made this strong move. And during this time, people said, we'll never go below 3 cents again. Now, we did nearly hit 5 cents, and that's a resistance, okay? And now we have a correction. And so for people who are new to crypto, I've been investing and doing charts for 30 years. I've been doing crypto charts since 2017, 2016. Nothing goes straight up forever. They do correct. Even if it's your favorite project, You know, XCN is great. It does have a $1 billion market cap, a billion volume. Let's just look over here and let me see what the volume is. The volume is very, very high. We're in the euphoria stage where people just think that this thing is just golden and that it's just going to go straight to the absolute moon. 24-hour trading, 1.6 billion. That's a lot of money, guys. In fact, the 24-hour trading is higher than the market cap. That's crazy. That's absolutely crazy. So getting back to the chart, as we were moving up here, someone said, we'll never, ever go back down again. And then, of course, we correct. So that's a normal thing. Big deal. Get over it.
See, guys? Exactly the same. That's what I'm saying, man. That's what I'm saying, right? Corrections happen, guys. Corrections happen. It's fine. There's nothing wrong with it. It's perfectly normal chart action. I get so many people messaging me and they're panicking. Oh my God, this is it. It's crashing. Just relax. Everything corrects. What do we have? Only 8 days remain until we unveil one of the most significant XCN updates to date, featuring a brand new white paper, the details for new blockchain we've been developing in stealth, the Onyx XCN Ledger. Yes, you've heard it here, guys. First, the Onyx XCN Ledger, the new white paper, new blockchain. This is going to be crazy, guys. Crazy. If it's in a pullback right now, if you're considering dollar cost averaging, again, not financial advice, but it might not be a bad time to do it, considering in 8 days we have a massive update coming, right? It could be Catalyst City, right? So stay tuned for that. What else do we have? Binance now showing people where you can buy and how to buy Onyx coin. Very interesting, guys. Very, very interesting. What else do we have over here? This is from Chain. Just a little reminder, guys. Chain is in the final stages of launching their new artificial intelligence tool for smart contract developers. Yes, that's right. If you didn't know, an AI agent being launched on Chain, and it will only be exclusively accessible with XCN. There's your utility, guys. There is your utility. And it doesn't stop there, guys. It doesn't stop. The news keeps coming. XCN, just so I'm clear, we have the following in the works. The burning of coins, nominated to be listed on Binance, which we are currently waiting for the link so that the community can vote on, guys. We're going to push this to the limits as a community. We're going to galvanize around it. We're going to talk about that in a separate video. Nominated to be listed on, yeah, we talked about that. 8 days remain until they unveil one of the most significant XCN updates to date, featuring a brand new white paper, guys. Absolutely bullish. I'm going to share the hell out of it because I thought I did, but I didn't. And then obviously, guys, the creme de la creme. Check it out. The made in USA coins by market cap, okay? Which means the projects that will be included in the zero capital gains tax in the United States. And we scroll down, what do we see? Look at all these projects: Avalanche, XRP, Hedera, Ondo, Render, Algorand. Scroll down, what do we see? Oh, Onyx coin. Here it is, right here, guys. So there it is. There we can end the argument. I know that there's people out there setting out misinformation, saying that XCN is not an American-based company and that it will not be included in the zero capital gains tax category. Here it is, right in front of your face, on your screen. The proof is in the pudding. We always bring receipts. So, once again, guys, as always, guys, listen. I'm also excited to say that today we had another 6 people not only tell me, but tell everybody else over on the Patreon and in the live streams on YouTube today that we have 6 more people who have hit 7-digit portfolios, 7 figures in their portfolios, and so many more have hit high 6 figures. because they're getting into these gems that we're getting into, guys, very, very early. XCN, Swift Coin. We were getting into these projects over a year ago. We were making videos on them over a year ago. We were dollar cost averaging over a year ago. You want to get in on these plays before they pump 3,000%. You don't want to get into them because all of a sudden some content creators started talking about them because the price went up 3,000%, right? And now they want to pretend they've been talking about it the whole time. No, 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 no. You want to get in early before it pumps like 3,000%. So listen, we're looking at 5 gems over on the Patreon right now that we feel are going to run just like XCN. We called XCN, we called Swift, we called a ton over there, guys. We called a couple more that people are making a lot of money on, but I'm not ready to reveal them yet because they're still kind of fresh calls, and I want the Patreon members to still have the benefit there, right? And listen, on Wednesday, next week, well, this week now because it's after midnight where I am, I will be dropping another gem over on the Patreon that is going to do unbelievable things, guys, in price action. Phenomenal tokenomics, phenomenally low market cap, phenomenal narrative. So do not miss out on these plays, guys. Get over there. Again, we are printing. It seems like every day now, another couple of members over on the Patreon are telling me that they've hit 7 digits in their portfolio, guys. This is what we do. This is the goal, is to help everyone get to that elusive 7-digit portfolio number and then move on to the next bull run and try to compound those gains. We're changing lives over there, guys. We're retiring people. We're helping fix financial freedom problems. So get over there. The link is down below. We do 2 live group video calls over there every single day, one in the afternoon, one in the evening, and we also record them. So if you miss it, you can watch the replays of them. We cover a lot of educational stuff over there. A lot of questions get answered, a lot of help with stuff like DeFi wallets, like Coinbase wallet, things like that, how to find these gems, everything in between, guys, how to learn tokenomics, how to find gems, all this kind of stuff and more is over there in those group video calls. And also, you have the ability to schedule one-on-one coaching AMAs with me personally. So get over there, guys. Join our group video live sessions twice a day, every day. Book your one-on-one coaching AMAs with me. Get involved in these micro-cap gems before they pop off, guys. And you won't be sorry. And if you don't believe me, join one of our live streams on YouTube and ask the community for yourself. There's a ton of people on the live streams that are in the Patreon. They'll give you their honest opinion of what they think. Check it out for yourselves, guys. Click like if you like this video. Click subscribe if you really liked it. I'll see you guys in the next one.